You have likely heard the term PAC in the news, but what actually is a political action committee, and how does it influence elections? A PAC is a group organized for the purpose of raising and spending money to influence the outcome of elections or legislation. Over $12 billion flowed into the last presidential election, but how exactly does all that campaign money actually move? Political action committees pool donations to influence policy, but they have to play by specific rules regarding candidate support and advertising. While traditional committees face strict donation caps, super PACs operate with unlimited funds to shape the conversation without directly coordinating with candidates. Most funding for these committees actually comes from individual donors, rather than just large corporate or union entities. Understanding PACs is really just about following the money to see how different groups attempt to shape public policy. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clear up the confusion around PACs, hit the like button and subscribe for more money basics.